This December, I decided to make the healthiest and most delicious shawarma you could ever taste, my very own special version. So let's get right into it. First, I drizzle a little olive oil into a hot pot. As soon as the oil warms up, I pour in my chopped chicken breast. I stir it gently to separate the pieces and keep them from sticking together. Now is seasoning time. I add thyme, rosemary, onions, garlic, curry powder, one seasoning cube, and a little salt. I mix everything nicely, cover the pot, and let the flavor come alive. After a while, I open the pot, give it another good stir, and allow the chicken to cook until all the liquid dries up. I keep stirring until the chicken turns slightly brown, almost like it was lightly fried. Once it was perfect, I transfer the chicken to a bowl. Next, using that same flavorful pot, I add more chopped onions and garlic. I stir them gently, then add red and yellow bell pepper along with some fresh carrots. I mix them all together. I add my chives, stir again, and cover the pot to cook. 4 to 5 minutes later, I open the pot and stir everything together. Now comes the heat. I sprinkle in some dry pepper because your girl likes a shawarma a little spicy. I mean, I'm a black woman. We love flavor. After stirring, I pour the chicken back into the pot, mix it beautifully with the veggies. Let's all cook together. The aroma. At this point, it was already giving everything it needed to give. I cover the pot for about 3 more minutes, open it again, stir and let the mixture cook down until it's nicely dried and perfect. Now it's time to assemble. I heat up a pan and place my flaky flatbread on it. Once one side warm up, I flip it to eat the other side. When it's just right, I scoop in my delicious shawarma filling, wrap it tightly, and secure it with a toothpick so it stays in place. Once I was done with the first one, I placed the shawarma on a plate. I also repeated the same thing for the second one. I placed my flaky flatbread on the pan. Once one side warm up, I flip it to eat the other side. When it's right, I scoop in my delicious shawarma filling, wrap it tightly, and secure it with a toothpick so it stays in place. Remember, the palm is very hot, so you need to be careful when doing this because you can burn your hand. Did you notice I didn't use any hot dog or mayonnaise on this recipe because I only need healthy shawarma, veggies, and chicken breast. That's all. I took one bite and immediately I knew this shawarma did not come to play. And just like that, my delicious December shawarma is ready. Healthy, vibrant, and absolutely worth making at home. If you enjoy cooking along with me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy, tasty recipe. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Let me enjoy the shawarma behind the camera.